these are already on, but I'm going to double check. Nope, they're not. Wait. Ooh, they are. Yeah, they are. Okay. So, this is how you use the custom bending jig with an OXY-ACETYLENE torch. So, of course, I have the torch here. I have the tanks. Those are on right now. You start the acetylene first, then you slowly turn on oxygen. I'll size a wrench to fit on that. You can hardly see that, but yeah. Wrench fits onto the jig, and then I will put a clamp onto the other side of the jig so that I can hold it. I have a pot of water here that I will quench this in when I'm done. Alright, so I'll put on the goggles when I have it lit up here. So, let's start that. That white flame, little cone in there, is what you want to see. You can hardly see right now, but this should work. Hold it like this. I'm going to heat between the lines that I scored onto the metal. Those are just the measurement of the midline arc length until it glows a light red. Whoops. Okay. Then open that. Seems I didn't quite heat it enough, but it'll do. And making sure the end stops are touching in there, which they are. Making sure I tell this right. I'm not sure why it popped like that. It only usually does that when you have too much oxygen. And I turned off the oxygen. But regardless, this seems pretty good to me. I'll quench it. I don't mind getting the jig a little wet. Yeah. So, the construction of this is 2 short lengths of shaft tapped and drilled, of course, drilled and tapped to act as a nut for those 2 screws on each side. There is a set of gear teeth inside of there. Probably can't see that through that capped on tape, which is to protect it from heat, because this is just regular old PET G. And then the work pieces clamped to those metal spacer things with just some regular number 420 bolts. So